Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the 2025 Ring of Red in Manchester. As you can see, I've got the 5XL red t-shirt out of the wardrobe once again. So if you want to come for a lap around the M60, jump on the pillion seat and I'll take you for a ride.
The sun burns the ground, and my eyes fill with sand as I scan this wasted life. trace, like Thoughts inside a dream. He's the path that led me to that place, yellow desert screen. My Shangri-La beneath the summer moon, I will return again. As the dust that floats high in June.
Well, that's the 2025 Ring of Red complete on a lovely autumnal day. That's my 4th time taking part, and once again there were thousands of bikers out to pay their respects. If you took part, drop a comment below and let me know how your ride went. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe below. Remember to keep it shiny side up, and I'll see you all in the next one.